Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mona and Ram. I am Mona, 14, and Ram couldn't come as she was busy in her house. So आज इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ अपनी मुझे जो बुक बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है उसका मैं रिव्यू देने वाली हूँ. So guys, I know all of you are trapped in your house because of coronavirus, and I'm also in quarantine. I'm not infected, but we're just caring ताकि कोरोना ना लगे. So guys, stay home and stay safe. So guys, let's get into our video. But before we get into our video, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel and show some love and press the notification icon. So guys, this is the book that I am going to review and it is one of my most favorite books. और thumbnail में आपने देख लिया होगा ये कौन सी बुक है और आप लोगों ने guess भी कर लिया होगा ये कौन सी बुक है. So this is New York Times bestseller by the author. Alright, you just saw it. The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And guys, I can't express my love for this book. I just love this book, and I'm going to tell you the story, but not the end, of course. You have to buy the book in order to read the end. But guys, believe me, if you are a young adult and if you like reading books and if you're finding a good book for you to read during this lockdown, so I would totally recommend this book, and it's amazing. Actually, this book gives us motivation. For example, if you're a cancer patient or anything like that, or if you're infected by a virus, I can just totally relate it to the situation, to the current situations. So it gives us motivation to survive, to live, and to ignore all our problems. So guys, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि I just ordered it from Daraz about 2 months ago, and then I read it on the same day. I read the whole book on the same day, and it contains, I don't know how much, I just never counted. Let's see. It contains 313 pages, 12 and 330. So I just read the whole book on the same day, and this book is amazing. Like, it's perfect. Well, what's the story? क्या story है इस book की? There are 2 cancer patients, Hazel Grace and Augustus Waters, and they both are cancer patients, as I've mentioned before, and they become good friends and they fall in love, and they're inseparable. But in the end, something happens that destroys or that just affects someone's life, and I'm not going to tell you what happened because it would ruin the end for you. So I would totally recommend this book to all of you so that you read it and then enjoy this book. Yeah, and this book has got a lot of good reviews from famous people, and I'll read the summary. Despite the tumor shrinking medical miracle that has bought her a few years, Hazel has never been anything but terminal. Her final chapter inscribed upon diagnosis, but when a gorgeous plot twist named Augustus Waters suddenly appears at Cancer Kids Support Group, Hazel's story, is about to be completely rewritten. So alright, I bought it from Daraz for about $250, not dollars, 250 rupees. And of course, this book is not that much cheap, but you just have to read it. So you can buy it in any print, and the print of my book isn't that much good. That's why it was not that much expensive, but I would recommend buying it from Daraz or buying it from any other store like Amazon or whatever. Yeah, and I would totally recommend this book to all of you. Well, I don't have anything else to say, but I just want to say that this is the first book that I have ever read. और इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद मैं रोना शुरू हो गई थी. मेरी आंखों से आंसू निकल रहे थे. Yeah. Alright. Guys, look at these tones. पाकिस्तान में एक जगह है बालाकोर, and from there I just brought them. And look at these candles and look at this small mini cactus. Alright guys, so this is the end of our video, and that's all for today's video. For our second video on my favorite book review, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, and I would totally recommend this book to all of you. You should all read it as it's amazing, and I can't tell you how much I love it. Guys, that's the end. If you like my video, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe and show some love and support. Thank you. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.